G'day and welcome back to another vlog from your boy SPORTSCOB. We're here at the Rainfield Big Bash and it's my absolute honour to introduce Floppy Hat Sambo to the channel. Take a look at that. That's a go-to hat.
Floppy Hat Sambo, exclusively here for BBL matches only.
He's copped something else. Spoiler alert, we'll show you just now how we got those. He rates the Outline 6. Sambo's on the hunt for a new hat. How would it look on the bow?
It's going to be a good game, guys.
It's rainy.
The rain leaves and we will be on our merry way to a win.
If we get over 10 overs, I'll declare that as a win. So let's go. I think he's found the spot. He's not moving from here.
Oh no, we're not ready.
Well, if you're wearing it like that, you've made a new fashion statement, I dare say. Where do you get the Christmas hats? We were told that we were going to get Christmas hats. We want to find them.
This is the Christmas bash and therefore we need the Christmas hats.
It's the CBL, the Christmas Bash League.
As much as I love my floppy hat, and now I...
Well, you're going to have a triple header up there.
Triple header.
Digital scan, but mate, we've got the absolute scan in here. Sambo, give us a look. Wait. Royalty. Big Bash royalty. They never fit me well. They never have and they never will. But dab on. You can never go wrong with a bucket hat. Woo! We've sat right here next to the Berlin Wall at the SCG.
I'll give you a rundown on how city demographics work. If you're from Chatswood or left, you're on this side. If you're from Chatswood or right, you get to sit over there. Welcome.
Interesting training techniques happening here at the SCG. Techers on the lads. Techers. Here we go. Keep it up. Oh. Okay, so it's currently 7:20 something, which meant the game should have started about 10 minutes ago. It obviously hasn't. The rain hasn't ceased, so we went on a food adventure. I am sitting next to a male toilet entrance, so I'm going to keep this very brief. I copped Sambo the 5 calamari rings. They're very good. Got some tomato sauce as well. I'm just waiting for him to get me a chicken schnitzel burger and chips, and he's going to grab something else, I think some tenders. But yeah, nothing happening in the game so far, so we're not missing out on anything. Oh, damn.
Suspicious looking chicken.
Up the bunnies. I think the rain has stopped. Covers are off, covers are off. Yes. That's some genetically modified chicken. That's suspicious chicken. Actually, it looks like Korean fried chicken, to be honest.
Sunny boat. Oh, that's wet.
Oh, it's got shredded. Okay.
Oh, wow.
That's not too bad. Berlin Wall conversations, something we're used to, Sambo. All too familiar with at the AFL.
These guys are from Westmead, and that guy over there is from Vaucluse.
Vaucluse? That's not a suburb you hear mentioned every day. But that's also because I live out west.
Why is on that side of the fence? I don't understand why they wait so long. Like, it's not raining now. Start the bloody game.
They took the covers off 10 minutes ago. Now it's 7:45 and they said play will commence at 8:10. That's another 25 minutes. So we've got reduced overs, 3 over power play, 1 over not bash boost, power surge, power grid, power station, whatever. I don't know. 15 overs. So we're looking at 3/4 of a game, which is not bad, but just start the game. It's going to start raining again. Yeah. Todd Murphy! Yeah.
Get comfortable being uncomfortable, Hobart!
Oh no, they're used to this weather.
Yeah, they are.
Hey! Sambo, the Canes are playing, which means it's one thing. Woohoo! 10-wicket win! Go the Canes! Yippity dippity doo! We love you, Bev. How are we getting a golden duck today, McDermott? One! Yeah! Here we go. Oh! Test cricket. Testerson. Sambo, honest prediction today. Do we finally flip the trends of recent times?
Canes haven't been good. I think this is it.
I reckon-
I think Sixers to win by more than 30 runs.
More than 30?
And I'm going Patterson 30 plus.
That's very bold. Oh, that's straight up in the air, 10 rows back. Oh, it's not getting there! Yes! I'm going to say...
almost immediately jinxed my prediction.
Sambo, I'm going to say that we're only going to lose by 10 runs today, not 70-odd runs that we've been losing by.
Patterson scoring 30 after that?
Philippi nearly got out on a golden there.
Oh, no, that was Patterson.
Oh, that was Patterson. Oh, yeah! That Dooley?
Yeah, get a normal bowling action, Dooley.
Yeah, Paddy Dooley. Here we go. Everyone's favourite bowling action. Oh, it looks so much better in person, Sambo. Okay, we're going to get a close-up of the whopper.
He does like a laser.
Revs.
There he is, he's lasering. There he is, look at his laser.
Honing in on the zone.
Laser.
Oh. Get back, yes.
Go, yes. Oh, yeah.
Great running. Oof. The Dooley doing a bit of moves.
He's practicing a bit of his Dooley. Oh, look at this. Oh, no, big time to sit down.
No run.
Oh, yeah.
Smoked.
Here we go. It's gone for 6. Oh! Did you get that? Did you get that? That's a 6. Yeah.
I most definitely did.
The bow strikes again.
Dab.
Lovely, that's 2 there. Come back.
We're gonna show you why you should have never left Shadab. He goes by Khan, and for everyone who watched our ODI vlog, he's another rip-off Rashid. We found another one.
They're everywhere.
Rip-off Rashid.
Oh,
That's straight up in the air.
Rip-off Rashid, you suck, mate.
I am so glad I filmed that.
Oh, yeah.
No. Oh, dear.
Go back to Ricky Potting 2005 on the PS2, mate.
Oh, boo.
Rashid would have taken the catch. Was that Testerson?
Oh.
Testerson!
Mate, what did you say about misfields once there's one?
Yeah, it's like alcohol. Once you have one, they start flowing like wildfire.
So the 6th driving cam's on. Mate, show us your best driving technique. With your right hand in that exact spot.
Exposed.
Whooshka! Oh, look at that action. Oh. Seriously, I never even considered that. Oh, straight up in the air.
Hey!
Nowhere near it.
We've been very lucky today with
Jimmy Neesham in the attack here.
right down our way.
Oh, yes, Benny McDermott.
Show us your haircut, Benny.
Show us the fade.
No! Testerson! I was about to say we're halfway through with no wickets down. That was it.
Oh, it was stolen off you, McDermott. Should have tried harder.
Should have shown us your fade, mate. Oh! What did I just say about Philippine not getting out?
Moist Moises. Oh my god.
Moses isn't having the best year.
Thanks for doing it. Oh! Well, it looks like Dan Christian is going to be in before the surge.
Looks like our great batting is continuing.
Holy fuck. We've lost 3 wickets in the past over.
We've lost 3 for 1.
Give us the wrong and Dooley. Oh no. That's 4 consecutive ducks if I'm not mistaken. Dooley.
Just block it. Yes. Yes.
Sambo out here calling the shots.
Welcome to the SPORTSCOB lab. It's the lab. We're in the lab with Sambo. We've got a 6 and some correct calls going today.
I completely missed that.
I did miss that too. Oh, what a stupid shot. No, it's going down leg. Hit it.
We got Chris Scott over here at the cricket. Chris Scott. Gonna go back to back with Geelong, mate. So that's an opinion still. That. Oh!
Catches win matches, boys.
Jimmy Neesham.
Yeah.
Oi!
Watch the
ball!
Warner's media paces come out when he plays for the Thunder.
Watch out. The bow's in town.
He's in town, boys.
Getting some moves.
Go for 2! Yep. Oh, that's okay.
We have finished with 5 for 136. I dare say that's a win in a 14-over game.
137.
137. Oh, 137. Great total to chase down. I don't reckon the Canes have it in them.
Yawn, bro.
Benny McDermott, another golden duck. Wade's going to hit 70. And then everyone else is going to collapse around them. Oh, a shorts opening. Okay. Hello.
Who's your next captain, Chris? Is it Blitzard?
Is it Paddy? No, it's Reece Stanley. We've got Todd directing the field.
Todd is our captain. Oh,
Lovely Todd.
He was not Todd.
Oh, that! We are going upstairs.
To be fair, we don't have a good view of that at all. We are very square.
We have possibly the worst view in the ground.
We have no idea where that hit.
Oh,
That's going to be close.
if he doesn't have bat, that's clipping. I think it's going to be umpire's call.
Yeah, umpire's call.
The worst review, or the worst rule, sorry, in cricketing law book has struck again. I fucking hate that rule so much. Come on, David. I was feeling the wickets. There we go. Darcy poo.
Yes.
He's pooed his pants.
Off he goes. Have a walk.
My hero, Socky. Just watch how fast Socky gets through his overs.
Yeah. Bring it on, Congo.
Yes! Yes! Socky! Socky!
Over from Stephen.
Oh, damn! My hero!
Yes, my hero.
Oh, damn! Oh, damn! Don't leave. Oh, Shadab! Fake Rashid's out. Oh! Oh!
He doesn't look very confident.
Mate, sell it. Sell it. Say you're confident.
He's dropped on
It looks good so far. That's perfectly legal. Oh, look, we're in the background, Sambo. Look at that. There we are. I don't see it, Sambo. That would have been one of the best pieces of fielding I've ever seen. But unfortunately, Naveen was too honest. He was too honest.
I appreciate honest Naveen.
I do appreciate honesty. Honesty is always good.
35 balls to get 78 runs. All right, let's pop the pressure on.
Oh, straight up in the air.
Straight up in the air!
Undefeated in the field.
Come on,
He's our strike bowler, Todd.
He is, he's our strike bowler. What did you laugh
Come on, Todd. Oh, no run. No run. Oh.
Wait,
He left that behind him.
that's another yellow.
Don't give it back to him easy, Philippine.
This is a dangerous slide tackle here.
Toddy.
Strike bowler.
Toddy.
Todd.
Catch it. Ooh. Take a bow,
You
Todd.
can't hit a boundary off Todd.
Take a bow, Todd.
Great bowling, Todd.
Great bowling! Okay, we noticed something, or Sam actually pointed it out earlier in the year, that the light poles here are not even, and I'm going to showcase that to you right now. So that's evenly spaced to that, is evenly spaced to that, and then there's that. Like, and it's evenly spaced to that one, like every gap's the same, and then you have that. Why do they need the double light strength in that part of the ground in particular? Because the AFL sticks are there and there. Like, that light suffices. Why do they need that? The dual strength.
I don't understand the point of the extra light. I'm trying to justify why.
It really fucks with your OCD when you got everything else and then there's that. Full toss, but he's got him!
Got him, got him, got him, got him!
Got him! Nisha. Yes! There goes big Timmy David.
Yeah, now they're in trouble.
Now they're gone.
They needed Timmy David.
They need 45 off 12 and now they're taking the power surge, so it's not impossible.
No more boundaries, guys.
Oh my word. They scored 23 off that. I said 45 off 12, nothing's impossible, and they've scored 23. They need 21 to tie it in the last over, 22 to win.
Super Over would be exciting.
Super Over would be exciting.
I sort of want to go home now.
Oh, goodness me. We don't do it easy, Sixers. We don't do it easy. Quick single.
That's okay, singles are fine.
Oh dear.
Oh no. 20 off 6 with a rip off Moena. Come on, top edge.
Oh no. Walk in.
Walk in.
My pants are in danger.
Apply
I said if they win from 45 off 12, I'm throwing my pants on the field to give them to Vince. They're in danger now. 16 off 5. Oh! The relief! The relief. He was a centimetre away from making that 10 off 4, but it's okay.
It was 10 off 4, we'd be a big fuck.
Six here. Yes. Yes. It's all you, Todd.
Come on, Todd.
Nice.
Yes, Toddy!
Nice, Todd. No ball, 6. That better not be a no ball, is all I'm saying.
I think that's okay.
Sixers are finally win.
Yes!
Finally. We're on the board.
We won by 6 runs, Sambo. Woo, we won by 6 runs.
Much closer than what I thought.
But a win is a win nonetheless.
To win, we needed it, and I will take it.
Sambo, welcome to Vaucluse.
I'm now officially a member of the Eastern Suburbs.
We're in Vaucluse, for those who haven't gotten here.
From Parramatta.
Now we're in Vaucluse. I'm in the SCG members section. I snuck in. I got the missing signatures, except Silky. Silky's 100th, we'll give him that one.
That went a lot better than what I thought.
We went from Chatswood to Para to Vaucluse and then to Bondi.
I want to pay the 10 grand and go permanently to Bondi.
I want to be up there. That was a successful dab. Look at all those signatures. Oof.
Hold on, I can display my haul.
It's a growing list. We're on. I need to get a media polo because I'm not convinced by our current jersey.
No,
I think I'm going to get a media polo. Because we're going to be in the Steve War Room next year.
Yeah, media polo and a jacket because it's always cold at the SCG. Once we have 40 grand saved up, we're becoming platinum SCG members.
Oh, mate, we're going halves. It's only 20k. It's
transferable cards.
I love how we have simultaneously parked next to each other in our secret car park spot.
We sure have.
That no one knows about yet.
Yes, so we're not going to say this publicly.
We're not going to disclose the location.
One day when you are monetised, everyone's going to come parking here.
Everyone's going to come to steal my spotlight. Anyways, Dabo, it was an absolute pleasure to have you. We'll see you on Boxing Day. Yes. Boxing Day is only 4 days away. Fuck me.
Coming up fast. I'll be there for Boxing Day and then the Sydney Smash directly afterwards.
Oh, we're going to get absolutely plastered. Dab on.
Dab on.
I can't dab right now, but dab on. Okay, just before we dip, I just wanted to showcase, I forgot to do this at the game, but I wanted to showcase, I got another Sixers keyring. I see keyrings and I'm like, these set of keys, which I showcased in an earlier video, are going to get very, very heavy. We're going to have some jingle bells and a half going on over here. And I got another one. I got a pin this time. So, SPORTSCOB strip cub. Well, not really strip cub, but you know, you get me. It looks glorious. It looks magnificent. Oh yeah, there we go. I've just placed it on very carefully. That looks cracking right there. I was going to put it there, but I thought that looks a bit bare, and it's just, yeah. If I have another one, it will go right there. Give this side a bit of love, and then yes. But before the frame comes, I have to get Jordan Silk's signature. He's the only one I'm missing. He was too busy today because it's his 100th game. Congratulations to Jordan Silk on 100th game. You've been an absolutely magnificent player for the Sixers. Your fielding is incredible. You're Superman in the field. That's it for this vlog. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the vlog. We have an absolutely packed end of the year coming up. We have Sydney FC v Macarthur on Saturday in 2 days' time. And then we're going to Melbourne for a famous Boxing Day trip to remember. It's the Shane Warne tribute. I will be going to the Boxing Day test, which has always been a dream of mine, and we'll be paying tribute to the late, great Shane Warne and Andrew Simons as well, in the way that we know best. And you'll see that in the upcoming vlog. Actually, in 4 days' time, it's Boxing Day. I can't believe it. It's almost Christmas. Everything's happening. All you got to do is click that subscribe button, stay tuned, and we'll catch you on the flip. We've got a whole lot of content coming up. Different sports, different action, different everything. I've been your boy SPORTSCOB. It's been a pleasure. Dab on and have a fantastic day, fellas. This key's getting stronger.